The machine reports that the ink viscosity is too high. This might be because it hasn't been used for a long time, perhaps for a month or two, causing the viscosity to be high upon startup. If the viscosity is high, you don't need to worry about it. It will adjust automatically. When we first power on the machine and initiate the operation, there is absolutely no need for you to worry about the settings. The system is designed to adjust itself completely automatically by precisely adding the correct amount of solvent into the ink reservoir to dilute it, which effectively works to reduce the ink viscosity to the optimal level required for consistent and high quality printing performance. If you find that the current process is moving a bit too slowly for your needs, there's a simple way we can accelerate it. While the machine is continuing to run in its normal operating mode, go ahead and grab a cleaning bottle that has been filled with the appropriate solvent. Carefully take that bottle and spray a small amount of the solvent directly into the recovery gutter. This specific action is very helpful because it actively assists the recovery process by returning the solvent back into the ink supply, which effectively speeds up the dilution process and gets everything back on track much faster. Printing is prohibited when viscosity is abnormal, as this can lead to issues such as poor charging. Whether the viscosity is too high or too low, it can cause problems. If it is too low, the ink drops will not charge properly, resulting in poor print quality and increasing the risk of printhead issues and ink smearing.